Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Milani UltraFine liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is one that you can get anywhere. Milani you can get it on Amazon or any kind of drugstore. I really like this eyeliner, which I was really surprised about. I'm not usually one to do funky colors, but I decided to try this one out. Just to see. This color is like the brightness of it makes it kind of hard to see. The color of it is sparkling turquoise. Yeah, and it is made in Germany. This is a 0.058 fluid ounce tube of eyeliner. The product is just in this small part, and then this whole top part is the handle. And it is a twist handle. This product, like I said, I was pleasantly surprised with this. This actually stays on all day. It does not budge. And it's just a really, really pretty color. The bottle does say to shake well before use, which I did not read the first couple of times that I used it. So the first couple of times I wasn't impressed because it didn't really give me like the super great pigment. It was a little watered down, I felt like, because no one really ever thinks to read the tube to see if you need to shake eyeliner. I thought that was so when I did see that, I was really, really surprised because that's kind of unusual for eyeliner, but I did shake it, and when you shake it, I don't know if you can hear, it kind of sounds like when you shake nail polish, there's like just a little ball inside of there. So it kind of shakes it up. So yeah, I'll go ahead and open this. Like I said, it is a twist cap, and you can see it's just a really pretty metallic turquoise color. It's very, very thin, which is really great. I like thin ones, applicators for my eyeliner because I like doing cat eye. I'll go ahead and do like a small swatch so that you can see. Like, it's very pretty. But you can also easily do a thicker line if you wanted to. Obviously, you'd do a little bit better. So you have like, it is thin, but you do have options. Like you can make it a thicker line with it, which is I really like that about it as well. I will say the one thing with this is that it does stay on. It is waterproof and smudge proof, and it definitely works. That part of it definitely works. It lasts all day. Although I actually don't usually wear it during the day. If I wear this, it's usually like to go out at night with friends, like to a club or something. And every time I wear it, I do get compliments on it because it's just so nice and vibrant. But that being said, the next morning, it is still on me. I can sleep with it on and it does not budge. And when I do go to take it off, I feel like there's always just a little hint of blue on my eyelid, so it kind of stains my eyelids, and it stays like that. Like you can see a tiny shadow of teal on my eyelid for like maybe a day. So that's like the one thing that I don't really like about it. I usually, when I do wear this, like the next day, I will just get like I'll wear like a darker eyeshadow or a matching, or an eyeshadow that's about the same color and just kind of play it off as if it's eyeshadow rather than my eyelid being stained teal. And that usually works, but that is the one thing that I wish it did come off a little bit better. But I think that I would prefer it do that than to smudge halfway or like fade halfway through the night when I'm wearing it. So I will say that just as a comparison, I'll go and show you what the size of this tube is. So it does have quite a bit of product in it. I've had this for maybe a year. I don't use it every single day, but yeah, so you can kind of see that. I really like this eyeliner. Like I said, I was pleasantly surprised by it. You do have to remember to shake it because you can definitely tell the difference. If you don't shake it, it just comes out like you can tell like the color is just not as bold when you don't shake it, and it takes more layers. Like I have to go over it a couple of times to get the pretty solid bold blue on my eyelid when I do use this. So yeah, I can show you here, like it's already, like it is not going anywhere. It's like crazy, this stuff just like stays on you. Like if I didn't purposely wash it off, I would probably be able to wear it for like a couple of days. Even then it might still, maybe even longer. But yeah, it's like insane, this stuff for like not a high-end makeup brand. It works amazing in that sense. So yeah, overall, this is just a really, really great eyeliner that stays on all day, and it's just a really fun color, and I would definitely recommend this brand to anyone. Just make sure that you have a really good makeup remover. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.